Now I want you to do it.
Okay, Richard, we see you brought your friend Alf with you today. Alf the chef. What's Alf's favorite recipe? What does he like to cook the most?
Balls. Cats, I mean.
He likes to cook cat? And what kind of cat is his favorite cat?
Siamese.
Siamese cats? Does he like boy cats or girl cats the best?
Boy.
And how does he cook them? Does he fry them or boil them? Or?
Burn them as a pizza pie and put them in the pan and boil them.
You mean he makes cat pizza? Let's hear Mr. Alf say a word for the camera. What did you got to say, Alf?
Where's some more cats?
You want some more cats? What is that you're eating right now, Richard?
Nuts.
Did Alf cook those for you? He seems to like them himself. Well, that's about all the time we have. You want to say goodbye to America?
Bye!
I would love to meet him. I'm sure I'll see him before November.
When Benson has
Now
appeared,
let me-
he has often
Goodbye
been
now.
in the shadow
Bye!
of Reverend Jesse Jackson.
Are you gonna tie me?
Like a three-man ticket.
Okay, Richard, let's hear the Cooking with Alf rap.
So the Democratic convention has been the Mike and Jesse show.
Uh.
For two-man on the ticket, usually
Come on, let's just do it for practice first, and then we can record it.
Ow!
What are the words?
Ow! You wanna be the chef? Listen to me, I'm cooking my favorite recipe. First you throw it as a pizza pot, then you stir it up and put some salt and pepper in. Cooking without tonight.
Okay, now let's do it for real. Let's stand up and do it now. Let's try it, or you want to do the practice standing up?
Practice cleaning it up.
Okay, practice stand up, and you got to do the little, try and do the little dance. However, what do they do with the rap dance? I don't know how that works.
I don't know how because I just got the record.
Okay, well, just however they do.
Ow! If you want to be a chef, listen to me. I'm cooking myself!
It was the emotional payoff after decades of
First you
exclusion.
throw it as a pizza pot, and then you stir it up.
Tonight, there will be far
Put a little salt and pepper in it. Cooking without. Hot tonight.
And women don't have the
Done.
goosebumps this time. What they have is